Hello, in this PHP tutorial, let's overview PHP, HTML, and how the two relate to each other. In the next few PHP videos, I'm going to be using Microsoft Notepad. Let's begin by starting a new text file by right-clicking on our desktop, select New, then select Text Document. For now, you can leave the default name and open the new text file. We'll start by creating a small HTML file, and let's put some text within the body. Now save this file as test.php in our htdocs folder discussed in the last video. Remember, when you save this file, you must change Save as Type field from text-document.txt to all files. Now let's navigate to our test.php file. Go to localhost/test.php. Don't forget to open your XAMPP control panel and start Apache first if you're running this file on your computer. You should now be able to see hello everyone, or whatever you typed in your browser. This is the first important thing to know about a PHP file. We can have standard HTML in a PHP file, and it will behave just as a regular HTML file. The difference is that a PHP file can also have PHP script or a mixture of HTML and PHP within it. Let's learn how to write a PHP script. Add these tags anywhere between the body tags on your in your HTML, between your HTML tags. Save that again, and we can insert any PHP that we like between these two tags. No HTML can be between these tags, only PHP code. The first thing we'll discuss is an echo statement. To make an echo statement, we use the PHP keyword echo. Add a space after this keyword. In quotation marks, let's add a string. For now, let's think of a string as any word, sentence, paragraph, or group of characters. Strings must always be in quotation marks in PHP, and statements must always end with a semicolon. The semicolon is PHP's way of knowing that you're finished with a statement. So we'll save test.php and refresh our browser to see changes. We can insert as many PHP scripts as we like into our PHP file. So let's add another. Save the file again and click refresh in your browser. Notice there is no line break. We will need to add a break tag manually, just as we would in HTML. As you can see, the echo statement prints our string into the browser window. Also notice that we can insert HTML into a PHP echo statement as a string, and that's fine. We could also have kept these two echo statements in the same PHP script. That would have been okay, but it's important to know that you can add as many PHP scripts as you like anywhere in the PHP file. PHP scripts can be before the HTML, after the HTML, by itself with no HTML, or embedded within the HTML, as our example was. One important thing to remember is that strings always need quotation marks around them in PHP. But what if you want a quotation mark as part of your string? That's no problem. We just need to use a backslash as an escape character. An escape character tells PHP to treat the next character after a backslash as part of a string. Let's look at an example here. As you can see, using three or four quotation marks like this could easily confuse PHP, but since we added a backslash before the quotation marks we wanted echoed, like so, PHP knows how to handle this. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to this channel. See you next time.